Hello, I'm going to share to you another reactions of phenol. So in this case, we have reactions between benzene with several reagents and conditions in order to synthesize Cathecol. Cathecol, as you can see on the screen, is actually we have a OH that's attached in carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. And then we will study how to convert benzene to resorcinol, which is we have a hydroxyl which attached in carbon number 1 and carbon number 3. As you know, if we have attachment, if we substitute or if we exchange one hydrogen and the second hydrogen in benzene, then we'll have a ortho substitution, for example, like this one. So we changed hydrogen in carbon number 1 and carbon number 2 to OH. And then for this one, we call this one para substitution because we replace hydrogen in carbon number 1 and carbon number 3. Okay. Okay. So uh, how do we convert this one? Okay. So first, if we have benzene, so we can actually add this one to let me write here. So we have a benzene. Okay, so benzene, we can add actually oleum. Okay, so we can add H2S2O7. All right, and then we need, because we have a OH, so we need to have any base or alkali that we can get to the system. Then definitely we can have this structure. Okay, so we'll have SO3, okay, minus and Na plus. Okay, so SO3 comes from this oleum, S2, S2, S7. And then we can actually also add NaOH. Okay, so we add NaOH fusion. Okay, fusion. And of course, we need to add hydroxonium ion in order to have this structure. Okay, so this one will give you phenol. Okay, and then because you need to add one more OH, so we may expect that we can add another oxidizing agent. Okay, so actually H2S7 is actually oxidizing agent. All right, so but then we need to set the temperature to 20 degrees Celsius. All right, so let me erase this one. Okay, so we need to set the temperature 20 degrees Celsius. And then again, because we need OH, so we add NaOH. Okay, all right, so we'll have O minus, okay, because this one is more electronegative than the other one. So this one, it becomes O minus and Na plus. All right, then we'll have we'll have a SO3 minus and Na plus here. Okay, so SO3 comes from H2SO4, which is the oxidizing agent. And then if we add NaOH, right? NaOH, okay, fusion. Okay, let me repeat one more time so we can get clear one. So we can actually add NaOH, okay, fusion. And then again, if we hydrolyze means that we remove this one, okay, and then we add NaOH, then I will have the product that we want, okay, OH and OH. Okay, so to summarize, we need to add oxidizing agent, okay, and then we will have a salt here because we have a Na plus and an OH minus, and then NaOH fusion, okay, so and then we add hydroxonium ion, then we'll have the first phenol. Since oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, there will be two dipoles, all right? So we have a dipole negative of oxygen and dipole positive of hydrogen, okay? And then again, because we need to oxidize, we need to add OH minus here. So one of the alternative is we oxidize. So we give a salt here. And then with NaOH fusion, we have a H3O plus. Then you have a hydrolysis here. So O will attack H plus, and then this one will also from NaOH will be attached here. Okay, so you will have a Cathecol. All right. Okay, so how about the second one? All right, so let me erase this one. So the second one is actually how do we convert benzene to resorcinol? All right, so we have actually a series of pathway that we can use to find or to synthesize the product of resorcinol. All right, so here I have a benzene. Okay, again I have a benzene, and then of course I always start with H2S2O7 because I need to donate oxygen, or later I will have a salt. Okay, and then the other one I need to add an NaOH. All right, so OH will be attached in carbon number 1 and carbon number 3. Okay, so as a result for adding these two, then I will have, okay, I will have OSO3. All right, SO3 minus sorry, excuse me, and SO3 and uh, Na plus, and then it will be also here, okay, in carbon number 3, SO3 and Na plus. All right, and then again, yeah, I'll just add NaOH fusion, and then I have H3O plus. All right, then I will have this structure, okay, OH and OH. So this one actually a resorcinol. All right, so the thing is that you need to understand in this situation, you have to add this H2, H2O7, and then NaOH at the same time, because these two are important to donate OH minus from NaOH, and then this one is will help the transformations from benzene to other desired product that we want to have. Okay, so again, this one is something that I can share today. Okay, I hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching.